Inside a massive open-air mega recycling facility to witness the controlled dismantling and transformation of an old, rusted American air warfare destroyer.
Welcome back to Factory Founder, where industrial giants meet precision engineering and raw power meets real-world process.
Beneath the open sky, where the coastline meets a vast industrial horizon, the final chapter of maritime warfare quietly unfolds. Scattered across this immense recycling yard lie the silent giants of another era. The old, rusted American air warfare destroyers. Once symbols of naval dominance, radar vigilance, and missile power, they now rest motionless, their hulls scarred by salt, storms, and time. What was once engineered for combat and endurance is now destined for transformation. This is not destruction. This is controlled deconstruction, an industrial symphony of precision, safety, and rebirth. Each old, rusted American air warfare destroyer arrives under strict regulation. Before a single cut is made, documentation is reviewed, environmental clearances are verified, and naval authorities confirm decommissioning status. These ships once carried advanced radar arrays, missile launch systems, fuel reserves, classified electronics, and hazardous insulation. The first stage begins with stabilization. The old, rusted American air warfare destroyer is secured on reinforced dry ground using massive steel cribbing blocks. Structural engineers assess stress points across the hull and superstructure. Corrosion mapping identifies weakened frames. Load distribution calculations determine how the vessel will behave once major components are removed.
Target that corroded section. Watch the runoff, ensure containment. Keep the spray consistent over here. We're focusing on this section. Check the runoff and containment.
Before heavy dismantling begins, hazardous materials must be addressed. Teams in protective suits conduct comprehensive inspections for asbestos insulation, fuel residues, hydraulic fluids, and chemical storage remnants.
The reading is high here.
Let me check this area.
It seems consistent with asbestos traces. Keep it steady, watch the cables. Set up.
Just a little further, slowly.
Ready on the deck, clear it up.
Portable gas detectors scan compartments for volatile vapors. Confined space ventilation systems are deployed. Fuel tanks are drained, cleaned, and degassed. Lubricants and oils are pumped into sealed recovery containers. Simultaneously, sensitive electronics and classified systems are extracted. The ship is no longer a combat asset. It is becoming raw material. With hazardous and sensitive materials removed, heavy dismantling begins at the top. Cranes surround the superstructure like towering steel sentinels. Plasma cutters slice through corroded antenna masts.
Hold it there, lower slowly. Watch your hands, mate. All right, it's steady, lower it down. Move the fork back a bit.
Radar domes are detached. Deck-mounted sensors are lowered to the ground. The old, rusted American air warfare destroyer gradually loses its silhouette. The iconic shape of layered decks and angular towers dissolves piece by piece.
Secure the line. Chains are locked and holding. Clear the deck of the section. We're moving it now. Keep it steady. Watch for the sparks. Got it, looks good. Needs to go over here. All right, easy now. Down a little more, steady. Stop, stop. Okay, secure it. Keep it
Next
steady.
comes weapons
This hull is
dismantling.
stubborn.
Massive
Almost
gun
through.
turrets are
Maintain
disconnected
pressure.
from their
Watch
rotating
for falling
rings.
debris. It's giving way.
Bolted foundations are cut with thermal torches. Crane cables tighten, and with slow, deliberate force, the turret lifts free.
Keep it steady, just a little more.
Move it to port, slow and easy. Clear the deck down below. Roger, moving it now. Turret 2 is coming down. Clear the deck now. Copy that. Moving into position on the port side.
Missile launcher assemblies follow. Each component is stabilized before separation to prevent uncontrolled movement. Sparks cascade as cutting torches slice through thick armored plating. What once launched precision-guided weapons now becomes high-grade alloy scrap.
Keep it steady. Slowly now. Clear the way. Watch your step. We're moving it.
Outer hull tearing marks the most visually dramatic phase. Giant hydraulic shears clamp onto steel plating several inches thick. With crushing pressure, the blades bite into the oxidized hull of the old, rusted American air warfare destroyer. Metal groans.
Hold it just a little lower. Steady, easy, set it down. All clear, retracting now.
Rivets snap, sections bend and fracture. Cranes pull entire side panels away from internal framing. The ship, once designed to withstand explosive shockwaves, now yields to industrial force. Deck by deck, the internal compartments are exposed. Bulkheads are segmented. Structural ribs are cut. Engine rooms are opened, revealing turbines, shafts, pumps, and gear assemblies.
Initiating cut on 3. Clear the drop zone. Debris incoming. Cut complete. Hold and maneuver. Secure the starboard section.
Copy. Securing now.
Clear the area. Watch for falling debris.
Move back. Move back.
Shears on the right are clear. Lower it slowly. Watch the cables. Almost there. Ease it down now. Clear the area below. Lower it slowly. Watch your footing. Steady, steady. Secure it in place. We're clear on this side. Continue cutting. Hold it there. Lower it slowly. All right, lowering now. Steady. Watch the alignment on the port side. Got it. Secure the beams. Hold tension. Steady. Watching sparks. Keep it clear. Slow down. Easy now. Keep it steady. Down a little more. Almost there. Watch the cabling. Guide it in.
As structural sections accumulate, shredding operations begin.
Coming down. Watch the sparks. Sparks.
Oversized hull plates are fed into industrial pre-cutters that reduce them into manageable slabs.
Watch the clearance on the right. The naval sections are secure. Engage the shredder. Confirm. Engaging. Monitor output.
From there, conveyor systems carry the fragments into massive rotating shredders. The sound is thunderous, steel grinding against hardened blades. The old, rusted American air warfare destroyer, once a continuous warship, is now transformed into thousands of fragments.
The sorting is precise.
Adjusting the arm position. Acknowledged.
Extraction. Holding steady on this load. Transferring now. Stand by. Keep it steady. Watch the feed. Copy that. Monitoring flow on the left.
Incoming section adjusted. Stand by for increased load.
Magnetic separators lift ferrous metals from mixed debris. Eddy current systems isolate non-ferrous alloys such as aluminum and copper. Optical sorting scanners differentiate stainless steel grades. Each material stream is diverted onto separate conveyors. Industrial efficiency replaces naval complexity. The ship becomes categorized, measured, and quantified.
Clear the zone, watch that beam. Lower it slowly, careful with the hook. We need more speed on that belt. Keep it steady. Looks good. Power's holding. Extraction next.
Conveyor belts feed shredded material into preheating chambers. Inside towering electric arc furnaces, temperatures rise above 1,600 degrees Celsius. The remains of the old rusted American air warfare destroyer liquefy into molten steel.
Keep it steady. Watch the temperature. Clear the landing zone. Billet is secure. Move it out.
These billets move onward to rolling mills, where immense mechanical rollers compress and shape them into structural beams, plates, or rods. What began as naval armor plating now becomes construction-grade steel. The transformation is complete in material form, but not yet in purpose.
The ultrasonic scan is clean. Initiating magnetic particle inspection on this section. Keep the tolerances tight, section 5. Roger that. Checking the rivets now. Transferring the plate to the polishing bay.
The stress test results on module 3 are stable.
Copy that. Ready to receive replacement.
Clearance. Verified. Moving to the next section. Set it down right here. Right in here. Copy. Lowering now. Locking on. Moving the peak. The alignment is perfect. Send it down the line. Confirmation received. Moving now. Line 1 is clear. Copy. Starting the descent.
Watch the alignment on the port side.
The steel may become bridges, skyscrapers, railway systems, or industrial machinery. The aluminum may shape aircraft frames. The copper may conduct power through cities. The open mega recycling factory operates continuously, a place where engineering, environmental science, and heavy industry intersect. Hundreds of old rusted American air warfare destroyers await their turn across the vast yard. Each follows the same disciplined sequence: stabilization, decontamination, dismantling, shredding, separation, melting, casting, and redistribution. There is something profound in this transformation. These ships were built for defense, for surveillance, for power projection across oceans. They carried crews, technology, and national strategy. Yet in the end, their greatest contribution may not be in battle but in rebirth. Steel does not remember its former shape, it remembers only its composition. And here, under open daylight guided by cranes, cutters, conveyors, and furnaces, the old rusted American air warfare destroyer is not erased, it is redefined. From warship to raw material, from corrosion to renewal, from dominance to sustainability. This is the industrial afterlife of naval power, a process not of destruction, but of transformation.